Welcome to a special edition of Inside the Lab. As we wrap up 2024, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through an amazing year of creativity, learning, and connection here at Collage-Lab. I'm Kelly Schaub. I'm the founder of Collage-Lab. Whether you are one of our members, a workshop participant, or someone who has just found this YouTube channel, this video is for you. I am just going to list all the things that I did this year as a one-person business and a working artist. I'm going to have to read this list, but here we go. I hosted 11 playdates this year, all free. Here's a quick list. We did artist trading cards, playing with circles, big and bold collage, jelly printed collage papers, Citrusol papers, Who Are You, which was an affirmation self-portrait, jelly printed collage greeting cards, polka dots, a pre-Trovember warm-up, and holiday collage tags. A few of these were presented as YouTube Live, so you can go back and watch those replays anytime. Look for more playdates on YouTube in 2025. You can also check out some of the new YouTube videos that I created in 2024. Sundays in the Studio, Pantone postcard collages, collage masterboards, collage zines, mark making Mondays where I went through all of my white mark making tools, where I also created scribble papers. And then in March, I created 31 daily videos here on YouTube for Mixed Media March Minis. In November, I hosted our 5th annual Treasure TROVEMBER right here on YouTube with daily prompts throughout the month. And then in December, I presented the 12 Days of Collage-MAS with 12 quick, easy, and fun collage holiday projects. You can find the playlists for all of those. This YouTube channel grew by over 2,000% this year. I'm thrilled that we now have over 2,000 subscribers and growing. Thank you, thank you. Lots more Collage-Lab is coming to YouTube in 2025, and I invite you to subscribe so that you don't miss out. This year I taught a variety of classes both online and in person. New online classes in 2024 included Collage Your Dreams, a crash course on daily art challenges, collage doodles, tack iron love, dimensional love, a free business masterclass about the About page of your website, the Collage Biz Academy, which was a combination of training and individualized coaching. For the Collage-Lab membership, 2024 included these 6-week intensives. Design Secrets, covering the elements and principles of design, print-on-demand artistry, a step-by-step walkthrough of putting your collage art onto products, and also self-publishing books. Collage Playground was a fun approach to composition, and Collage Your Style, we created fun and functional collage jewelry. We also had a monthly workshop with new projects and techniques related to the collage alphabet. In 2024, we revisited E is for encaustic, F is for Frankenstein, G is for gesture lines, H is for house and home, I is for improvisation, J is for junk, K is for kinetic, L is for landscape, M is for mixing the media, N is for narrative, O is for organic, and P is for painting the papers. Locally, I continued teaching at Rockport Center for the Arts. I participated in their Winter Texan Open House. I did an encaustic demo. I presented at their annual Arts Educator Days, which are some of my favorites. I also taught 3 encaustic classes and 3 fun collage workshops there. I taught a collage class at Moon Over Water Gallery, and I hosted a make and take event there for World Collage Day 2024. I took a few classes this year too. I made a fun crown collage with artist Anthony Sonnenberg, And I learned some paper clay jewelry techniques with Jill Satoro. I also served on the exhibition committee at Rockport Center for the Arts and participated in an artist professional development day at K-Space Contemporary. I didn't make a lot of art for exhibits this year. I'm still recovering from a big solo show in 2023, but I did create new work for two shows at the Art Center of Corpus Christi, the annual Tri Group exhibit that was held at K-Space Contemporary this year. I donated this large Cheshire Cat collage to K-Space's annual fundraiser, Wig Out in Wonderland. I was a guest artist at Studio C Gallery in Corpus Christi for 3 months, and I continue to show as a guest artist at Moon Over Water Gallery here in Rockport, Texas. I also had a piece juried into the members only show at K-Space Contemporary in Corpus Christi. The Collage-Lab membership included these monthly challenges in 2024. Trash On, which was inspired by Small Ditch artist Martha Habersham. Typography, Locative Collage, which was inspired by the artist Misprinted. Black and White Collage, Dots, Collage on a book cover, Social Commentary Collage, Collage on an unusual substrate, Inchies and Twinchies, Steampunk Collage, Gratitude Mail Art, and Festive Foods. In our membership, we also had in-depth conversations about calls for art, collaborations, imposter syndrome and our inner critic, personal expression versus commercial viability, narrative and storytelling in collage, book recommendations, social commentary in collage, collage communities, how we consume social media, tips for a fabulous TROVEMBER, mail art, and the creative process. I published yet another book for World Collage Day 2024. After an open call for collage art, I curated 60 beautiful heart-shaped collages into the book For the Love of Collage. This year, the Collage Chronicle Mastermind Group created collages for two fun fairy tales, Little Red Riding Hood and The Three Bears, which we published in November. I also published my annual planner, Most Creative Year Ever, the 2025 edition, and an undated version are both available on Amazon. Collage Chronicle members also participated in an ATC swap and a board book ad and pass collaboration this year. I also hosted Collage Coaching Week in May, going live every day for 7 days of an intensive training, and a membership open house this December. It was also a year of growth for me on the business side, as I learned a lot of new skills, switched email platforms, I'm learning new streaming software, learning a brand new platform for my membership, and I did a lot of business-related classes. I also participated in an intense 6-month coaching program to help scale my membership. Finally, I am thrilled to be a guest artist in Susan Yates's Sketchbook Challenge, which is running January 1st to the 30th. 2024 has been an incredible year at Collage-Lab, and it wouldn't have been possible without you. Whether you took a class, shared your art, or simply tuned into these videos, thank you so much for being part of this creative journey. As we look to 2025, I've got some big plans, so stay tuned for more opportunities to learn, experiment, and grow in your creative practice. Here's to another amazing year together. Happy 2025. If you enjoyed this year in review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me your favorite Collage-Lab moment from 2024. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time inside the lab.